There are tons of best budget drones for beginners available in market, so making the right choice is quite difficult. To make your choice quite easier, here we welcome you to the latest and top selection of 10 best budget drones for beginners. Let's start. At number 10 we have RAGU SX2010 ADP Best Budget Drones. The new generation of transmission device is designed with a large module battery, built in a variety of technologies such as front intelligent obstacle avoidance function and gesture recognition, etc., and is equipped with LED lights, variety of functions in one drone. With the bottom camera, it can realize shooting from the top angle, get rid of the fixed angle of view, such as large-scale event recording. Playground video can use this function. Tizzy Toy Drone adopts the classic three-dimensional folding design, which is equivalent to the size of a mobile phone after being folded. It can be folded and stored in 3 seconds, which is very convenient, and equipped with a storage bag. Use the bracket on the controller to fix your mobile phone. You can link the camera of the drone to operate it through the app, and there are multiple modes that can be realized with one button on the remote control, which is very simple and convenient. At number 9 we have H71 drones for beginners with 1080p HD cam. Drones with 1080p camera for adults. JJRC H71 foldable drone with optical flow positioning, Wi-Fi FPV live video quadcopter for beginners, 22 minutes long flight time, folding RC drone, kids LED light, modular battery, safe, quick charging. Easy replacement. 1080p HD aerial photography, capture every beautiful moment. Quick fold up, folds up to easily fit in the compact package and carry around. Wi-Fi real-time transmission, speed switch, barometer altitude hold and optical flow positioning. With these two functions enabled, you can take stunningly sharp images effortlessly. 2.4G remote control, up to 100 meters 328 feet of transmission range. Smart headless mode. The headless mode makes your operation easier than ever. It flies based on your orientation no matter where it is positioned. The built-in 90-degree adjustable 1080p HD camera ensure players to capture high-quality video and aerial photos. In combination with high-speed 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission, the images and videos can be shared to your family immediately. The view will be shown directly on your phone by Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, thus you can enjoy the view, accurately capture photos and record videos for spectacular moments. At number 8 we have listed HS370 FPV Best Drones with Cam 720p HD Wi-Fi transmission, folds up to easily fit in the compact package and carry around. Wi-Fi real-time transmission, in combination with high-speed 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission. At number 7 the best drone for beginners with camera Wi-Fi 1080p altitude hold. The AKASO A31 drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera for taking stunning aerial photos and videos. And with built-in Wi-Fi capability, you can see exactly what your drone's camera sees after installing the accompanying app from the App Store or Google Play. Also included is a colorful LED light attachment for impressive night flying. Simple takeoff, landing plus altitude hold, take off and land with the simple press of a button. Using the altitude hold option, you can accurately lock your drone's height and location to enable steady pictures and videos from any angle. These features, along with many others, make flying easy for pros and beginners alike. At number 6 we have the SP650 1080p Best Beginner Drone with Cam HD. Modular battery, safe, quick charging. Easy replacement. 1080p HD aerial photography, capture every beautiful moment. With these two functions enabled, you can take stunningly sharp images effortlessly. 2.4G remote control, up to 100 meters 328 feet of transmission range. The headless mode makes your operation easier than ever. It flies based on your orientation no matter where it is positioned. At number 5 we have listed the beginner drones, foldable RC quadcopter with 4K HD camera. Use the included action camera to snap freaky fresh drone videos and photos in 1080p HD. Flying at night? This drone includes LED headlamps to light the way. The included bonus battery gives you up to 30 minutes of flight time. At number 4 we have positioned the F100G370 drone with 1080p HD camera. The F100G370 RC drone is built for adventure with a 1080p HD action camera and GoPro action camera mount compatible with GoPro Heroes 3 and 4. Expertly capture HD photos and video footage with this drone for GoPro. High-powered brushless drone motors. Tougher, more powerful brushless motors give you a long flight range of up to 500 meters. This drone with 30 minutes long flight time races in 2 speeds and includes 3 swappable RC drone shells. 1080p HD wide-angle drone camera. Enjoy panoramic view and perfectly capture moments from the sky in vivid colors. This video drone can be set to record from above during its flight. High landing gear protects your quadcopter drone camera when landing. At number 3 we have positioned the S5C WiFi FPV Best drone for beginners. Equipped with an KHD 120° FOV camera, you can take the fascinating photos and shot footage of great quality from the sky. Create images that are crisper and capable of showing more details than standard HD. Double camera in the front and bottom give you different scene. Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system capture photos and record videos for your great memory. Multiple remote control ways are available: RC control mode and gravity control mode, etc. The gravity sensor mode enables the quadcopter to automatically follow the way you move your smartphone. Controlling the drone by flirting the vertical and horizontal position of your smartphone via download the app on instruction manual. It offers a flight time of about 20 minutes, a 50-meter range, and 3 different flight speeds. What makes it so simple to fly is its headless hold mode, one-key takeoff, land, and its ability to hold altitude. You can perform fun 360-degree flips with this daring drone. Multiple function of the drone makes the whole flying experience even more fun. At number 2 we have positioned the HS170 Predator Mini RC Best drone for beginners. 1. Headless flight system orients the quadcopter's flight on the controller, instead of always on the drone's head, making it more interesting to fly and easier to master. 2. Low interference 2.4 GHz technology. 3. 6-axis gyro stabilization system for effortless recovery after stunts and sudden moves. 4. Wind resistant. 5. Control range 30 to 50 meters. 6. Flying time 6 to 8 minutes. 7. Charging time 45 to 60 minutes under current input 0.5A-1A. 8. Suitable for pilots aged 14 years or elder. Please follow the instruction manual carefully. A top choice, and at number 1 we listed the ANAFI drone, foldable quadcopter drone with 4K HDR camera. This drone with a camera equipped with f2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom captures spectacular 4K videos, full HD or 2.7K videos, 2704 by 1520, and 21 megapixels photos without loss of quality. Additionally, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.